actually craving for lechon today, so we're heading from Pantok to Tayuman. Let's see what's in there. Oh ha, it's Lydia's Lechon. Ay, Linda's Lechon pala. So their best seller here is the belly part, lechon belly, for only 4,500 daw. And of course, yung naghihintay nilang ulo. Ayan. Okay, it's around 6K yata. Wait. Tingnan ko muna yung asawa ko ha, kung ano yung gusto niya. Kasama gulay.
Ito nandito, dala-dala ko.
Okay. Charang! Ang mahiwagang kanin ni Dada. Always kami nagbabaon ng kanin. Para tipid.
Yun ang presentation.
Special ng kanin namin. Oh, diba? Kanin galing bahay yan. Ever since, nagbabaon talaga yan si Dada ng kanin every time na kumakain kami sa labas. Wow. Meron pa isa, diba? Mag-prayer pa tayo ba? Saan yung isa? So, after prayer, ayan. Kain na. Actually, may lechon sisig pa kaming in-order. Pero since sinerve na yung lechon mismo, ay kumain na kami. Kasi we're craving nga eh. And really, it's so masarap. The balat, wow. It's really, really masarap. Ano ka na? Sige, kain na. Iyan mo da eh. Iyan mo da. Yan. Thank you so much, Linda's Lechon. We were really satisfied. The taste is so good. The price, I think was just right. Kasi, dalawa lang in order namin. And we only paid 606. Hindi ko na video ha, na document yung, yung bill. Nakalimutan ko actually. But yes, we only paid 606 for those two dishes. Actually, nakapag-uwi pa kami ng kalahati ng sisig because the serving was a little, the serving was a little big. Okay. I think it's not just for 2 or 3 people. Pero kung wala siguro yung lechon na nung in-order namin na isang lechon, siguro mauubos namin yung buong sisig. But since there was lechon din, kaya hindi na namin naubos. And Dada ate it for dinner. Yes, kasi lunch pala yun. Yeah. So when we got home, Dada ate it for dinner. Hindi na ako kumain kasi sobrang full na ako. So Dada realized daw na mas masarap yung lechon sisig when he ate it at home na during dinner. Pero for me, lechon was still the best. For me ha. Si anak naman, yes, she still agrees with me na masarap yung lechon kasi she didn't eat she actually did not eat the sisig kasi medyo maanghang. Oo, yun. But again, 5-star, perfect star, I mean, for Lydia's Lechon. We really enjoyed the food. The place is also very clean, neat, and the accommodation is really good. Mabait ang mga servers, sila ate and kuya. They deserved applause, of course. Very attentive, very accommodative. What else? Yes, for sure, we will keep coming back here. Lalo na kapag crave kami for lechon again. Kasi it's really good. We love its taste talaga. And what else? Yes, sana yung iba na taga Pantok lang or Binangonan, Rizal, it's in Tayuman lang, if I'm not mistaken. So, along the highway lang din naman. It's very easy to find. So, you just try. Kasi meron din naman silang iba-iba pang dishes. Hindi lang talaga yung lechon belly. And I hope pagka magkapera, maka-order talaga doon ng buong lechon belly. Wow, ang sarap siguro. Okay, so thank you. And God bless.